Hi everyone, let's talk about how to use Binance dual investment feature. So to use this feature, head to your Binance app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap More on the main dashboard, then find and select dual investment under the Earn category. Now if it is your first time using this product, you must complete a short educational questionnaire to unlock it. Now choose an asset, select the cryptocurrency you wish to trade. Pick your mode. Just switch in beginner mode at the top right if you want a simplified step-by-step guided interface. Then toggle it off for the advanced traditional mode. Now select your strategy. To buy low, use stable coins to buy a crypto at a lower target price in the future. Use your existing crypto holdings to sell them at a higher target price in the future. Now configure and subscribe. Set target and date. Enter your amount, toggle auto compound, and confirm your order. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.